Check out this completed Mediterranean Oasis project with the bioswale going down the middle of this backyard.
What's the secret to happiness? The secret to happiness is finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life.
What's up, guys? Checking out the progress here in Hemet. We have plants going into the ground right here. We have our dry river bioswale dugout. Strengthened the sides a little bit. We are going to put Arizona river rock in this bioswale. It is going to look awesome. We have mounded areas that are going to be decomposed granite and nice Mediterranean style plants to go all throughout the landscape. Nice low maintenance backyard. Alright, we got rocks going into the bioswale right here. And boulders going into the ground right here. And a tractor right here. All our rock that's for the bioswale right here. Check out the bioswale and the DG area. Done. Looking nice. Got an elevated, mounded area. Goes all.
What is freedom? I think I stole this from Bob Dylan, but maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie. Freedom for me is waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do.